Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an alternator in a Volvo XC90. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Next, gather your tools. You'll need various sockets like 10 mm, 13 mm, 15 mm, and 19 mm, along with Torx bits and a breaker bar. An alternator pulley tool can also be very helpful. Depending on your specific model, you might need to drain some coolant if the upper hose is in the way. Now, let's get to removing the old alternator. Begin by taking off the upper engine mount assembly and any plastic covers obstructing access. Use a 19 mm socket on a long breaker bar to release the serpentine belt tensioner, then carefully slip the belt off the pulleys. Disconnect all wiring harnesses from the alternator, including the positive cable and field wiring. Finally, unbolt the 3 mounting bolts, 2 lower and 1 upper, and carefully extract the alternator from its tight spot. With the old alternator out, it's time for the new one. First, remember to transfer the heat shield from your old alternator to the new unit, reusing the Torx mounting screws. Carefully negotiate the new alternator into position within the engine bay. Once aligned, thread in and secure the 3 mounting bolts. Reconnect all electrical wiring harnesses, making sure each connection is firm and properly seated. Double-check that everything is aligned before fully tightening all bolts. The final steps involve reinstalling the serpentine belt, ensuring it's correctly routed around all pulleys. This can be tricky, so take your time. Once the belt is on, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start your Volvo XC90 and check for proper charging system operation and that no warning lights appear on your dashboard. For more great tips and to find the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below for the link and other fantastic deals. Enjoy your newly replaced alternator.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.